Yeah, seen it online, had to make it. It's tricky. It's definitely not made to, not a stool to roll on. Okay, so I have learned my lesson. Do not build anything out of cheap China steel, as you can see. Hey guys, Clint here, Krazy Custom Welding. Today I'm just making a cool thing I seen on Facebook. It was like a floating chair on cables. So I'm gonna make, I don't have quite enough steel here to make a chair, so I'm gonna make a little stool. So I got my base complete. I have one link off. I still got extra links down here if I need, but I'm just gonna make it a shorter stool. So now I need a new top. Just thinking about using this.
This piece was from version 1.
I do use it. I'm not using this thing to cut that off. I'm gonna make something else. A new tube top too. I'll have to figure out what I'm gonna do for the top here. It's gotta be way stronger though. China steel sucks.
Version 1.
So much for that.
I got the bright idea to add spring and use China metal.
But it worked. But I need much heavier steel. Alright, so I got the last piece of the puzzle here, it's the angle. Big chunk of angle. Heavy duty. It's like 1/4 inch. Or 3/16. I don't know, actually maybe it's 1/4. No, 3/16. So I'm gonna have my round pieces right here for it go up on both sides, angle, so my angle will be on top and bottom, and my pivot point will come off that. So, yeah, sketchy. Just step on it. I gotta put it there. Not a stool to weld on, but yeah, lots of fun. There we go. That's better. Hey guys, so the battery died while I was setting up chains, which sucks. So I can't even show you guys. I didn't realize it until after. That's where I want it. Unfortunately, these chains are all good. I like these. The last two are. The first two I set were off, so I'm gonna bang this one free and retack it, and I think the other one will be alright. It's a little loose, but you want to have like some fun, especially when you're trying to weld. Alright, let's weld.
So I welded 2 bolts that slide through a fancy aluminum bracket and give them a 1/6 of play. Then I set the chains.
Definitely scare the hell out of drunk people. If you want to scare drunk people, make one of these.